Hi, in this video we have a mass which has been suspended from P and Q such that this angle here, all in the middle, is 90 degrees. This is alpha, this is beta. So when we do this, we're going to have a mass acting downwards, and we're going to have a tension here and a tension here. At the moment, because we're directly in the middle, the tensions will be the same. But if we move the tension this way, we can see that the tension will increase in this one and decrease in this one, and we can move it all the way up here if you like, and virtually at this particular point the tension in this one will be the same as the tension in this one. That's if it gets closer to this, and this will become virtually nothing, and the same would happen if you move it over to the other side. T2 will be actually 0. Okay. We'd have to move it along like that. Anyhow, so what we can do is make what's known as a triangle of forces. So we've got the mg acting downwards here. This one is T1, which is an angle alpha to the line of mg. And then this one here will be angle beta. This one will be the same as alpha plus beta, which is going to be 90 degrees. And these will also change as we move them down if you want to use that. However, it is quite nice to be able to resolve things like this. So to resolve horizontally, if I click this one here, and this GeoGebra app I'll put in the notes of the video. Okay, so we've got a force of T2 sine beta, of opposite beta, here, take away T1 sine alpha, and that will have to be equal to they have to be equal acting in that way. However, acting in the other way, we're going to have taking positive as downward, mg minus T1 cos alpha minus T2 cos beta, the purple one here. So the orange one and the purple one goes from here to here as well, and that would have to be equal to 0 for the whole thing to balance out, because we've got no sort of actually movement going this way. And to put them together, we can see like that. We can see how the components actually change, and this is how you solve a system like this. Okay, so I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching. The GeoGebra app I'll put in the notes of the video.